Assalamualaikum, class 7, exercise 18b. First of all, we have to learn what is right circular cylinder. A cylinder which stands on a circular base at a right angles like this base and makes an angle of 90 degree like on a circular base at right angles is a right circular cylinder. A right circular cylinder is formed by the revolution of a rectangle. One of its sides, the end of a right circular cylinder, are congruent circles, and the line joining the centers of the circle is perpendicular to the circular plane of two ends. This is a right circular cylinder, oblique circular cylinder, and right oval cylinder. A cylinder has a flat base and a flat top. The area of the base of a right circular cylinder is same as the top, means this area and this area will be same. Flat cross-sectional in between also have the same area as the base and the top. A cylinder has one curved surface, means one curved surface a circle has. Now we have to find the surface area of a cylinder. Now we have to find the area and volume of the cylinder, and as we know that the area of circular cylinder is equals to area of curved surface and plus area of two its bases. So first of all, we have to find the area of curved surface of a right circular cylinder, that is equals to circumference of the base multiplied by its height. So this will be equals to, and as we know that circumference of the base of our circle is equals to 2 pi r. So 2 pi r multiplied by height, that is equals to 2 pi r h. Now total surface area of a right circular cylinder will be equals to area of the curved surface plus 2 multiplied by area of its two bases, because two bases are to be considered. So area of the curved surface is 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r h plus, and area of two bases, area of a circle is equals to pi r square. So 2 pi r square. Now 2 pi r is common in these two terms. So 2 pi r and h plus r will be remain in the bracket. So total surface area of a right circular cylinder, the formula will be used as 2 pi r into h plus r. Now volume of a cylinder. Volume of a right circular cylinder will be equal to area of its base multiplied by height. Area of its base multiplied by height. So area of a right circular cylinder will be, area of the base will be in the circular figure, so pi r square, and height will be h. So area volume of a right circular cylinder will be pi r square h. Find the volume and the total surface area. We have to find the volume and total surface area of a right circular solid cylinder whose radius and height respectively are 7 cm and 30 cm. This is clear that radius is 7 cm and height will be 30 cm, and we have to find the volume and total surface area of a right circular solid cylinder. So radius of the cylinder r is equal to 7 cm, height of the cylinder h is equal to 30 cm. We have to find the volume of the cylinder. As we read this, volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. So the value of pi is 22/7, r is equals to 7 cm square, and h is equals to 30 cm. After opting the square, we get 49 cm square multiplied by 30 cm. 7 ones are 7, 7 7s are 49, and we get 22 multiplied by 7 cm square multiplied by 30 cm. Now 22 multiplied by 7 is equals to 154 cm square multiplied by 30 cm. 154 multiplied by 30, we get the answer 4620 cm square, and centimeter multiplied by with centimeter square multiplied by with centimeter, we get centimeter cube. So volume of the cylinder is equals to 4620 centimeter cube. Now we have to find the total surface area of the right circular cylinder. Formula is 2 pi r into h plus r. 2 as it is, pi is equals to 22/7 multiplied by r is equals to 7 cm, h 30, r 7 cm. 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7, so 2 multiplied by 22 is equals to 44, multiplied by 1 cm is equals to 44 cm, multiplied by 30 plus 7, 37 cm. 44 into 37, 1628 centimeter multiplied by centimeter, centimeter square. So 1628 is the total surface area of the right circular cylinder, and 4620 centimeter cube is the volume of the circular cylinder. Question number 4. Find the volume of a right circular cylinder when the circumference of its circular base is 44 centimeter and its height is 10 cm. We have to find the volume of a right circular cylinder. Circumference of the circular base is given, and as we know that the circumference of a circular base is 2 pi r. So we have to equate 2 pi r is equals to c. That is equals to 2 pi r is equals to 44 centimeter as given in the question. So circumference of a circular base is given in the question. C is equals to 44 centimeter and height of a cylinder H is equals to is given in the question 10 centimeter. We have to find the volume of right circular cylinder, that is equals to pi r square H, but r is not given in the question. So we first of all we have to find the value of r, and the value of r, for the value of r we have to, as we know that C is equals to 2 pi r, circumference is equals to 2 pi r for the circular base. So C is equals to 44 centimeter is given in the question. 44 centimeter is equals to 2 as it is. Pi is equal to 22 over 7 multiplied by r, and r is not given. We have to find the value of r. 44 centimeter is equals to 2 into 22, that is equals to 44 over 7 multiplied by r. 44 over 7 can be written as 7 over 44 is equals to r. 44 ones are 44 and 44 ones are 44. 7 into 1 centimeter is equals to 7 centimeter is equals to r. So 7 centimeter is the value of the r. Now we have to put in this formula and we get volume of the right circular cylinder. So volume of the right circular cylinder is equals to pi r square H. Pi is equals to 22 over 7. R is equals to 7 centimeter square multiplied by H is equals to 10 centimeter. After opening the square of 7 centimeter, we get 49 centimeter square, and 10 centimeter, 7 ones are 7, 7 7 are 49. So 22 into 7, 154 centimeter square multiplied by 10 centimeter. 154 multiplied by 10 is equals to 1540 centimeter cube. So volume of the right circular cylinder is 1540 centimeter cube.